A Harvey Wallbanger Ice Pop is an orange and Galliano liqueur infused simple syrup, blended with fresh navel orange segments and molded into a deliciously refreshing frozen cocktail pop. To make a generous amount of orange Galliano simple syrup, thinly peel the outer layer of a navel orange, avoiding the white pith. Then bring to a boil 200 grams sugar with 250 grams water, the orange peel, which is about 20 grams, and 30 milliliters or an ounce of Galliano liqueur. Cover with a lid and simmer for about 5 minutes. Then allow to cool and strain through a fine mesh sieve. Then to make 3 Harvey Wallbanger Ice Pops, blend 200 grams orange segments with 150 grams orange Galliano simple syrup until smooth. Then strain through a fine mesh sieve, divide between 3 ice pop molds, position the sticks in the center of the molds and freeze hard overnight. To release an ice pop, dip the mold into a glass of hot tap water for a second or two.